Welcome to the Test Wizard application. This application is used by teachers to quickly generate sets of assessments based on entered questions so that they can print them out with or without answers and hand them out to students, or upload them to Moodle, a learning management system where students can take their assessments online. This is the Test Wizard login screen. This login screen consists of a username field, a password field, and a Moodle URL field. The Moodle URL field is automatically defaulted to the local host, but can be changed as necessary. These fields have error messages if they're blank or invalid. If I go ahead and click the Login with Moodle button here, you can see an error message pops up, or if the username or password is invalid, the error message stays up as well. So I'm going to go ahead and log in as my Moodle user, an account that I already created in my Moodle instance. Oops. After we log in, we have the teacher's dashboard. This dashboard contains a create assessment button, a logout button, a search field, and a table of assessments with an option to open them up. The logout button takes you back to the login screen. The search field here filters the results in the table. And I already have some test assessments down here available. I'm going to go ahead and click Create Assessment to create a brand new assessment. Here we have the Create Assessment screen. This screen consists of 4 fields: a field for the assessment name, a course dropdown for the courses that are available in Moodle, number of tests to be generated, and a description. This course dropdown, if I click it, it has all the courses that are currently set up for me in Moodle. Here is my Moodle instance. And you can see that the courses match up exactly to the courses in this dropdown here. So go ahead and enter some data in the fields here. This assessment can be about synthetic fibers and plastics. I'll put that in my 8th grade chemistry class. I'll create 2 quizzes for now, and then I'll write a quick description. And then I'll click the Add Questions button down here. So here we have the Add Questions to the assessment screen. You can see that the quiz name is in the header here. We have a drop down for the type of question I'd like to create. So checkbox for this assessment if it's about math. Since you're doing a chemistry assessment, I'm going to leave that unmarked. And then I can add questions as needed or delete them using the corresponding buttons. So I'll go ahead and add some questions here. So I have 3 multiple choice. I'll do a short answer. and I'll do an essay question as well. And then I'll click this Generate Assessment button. And that takes us back to the teacher's dashboard. And you can see that now we have a new assessment down below titled the title that we gave it and the course that we selected. So I'll go ahead and open up this assessment that I created. And now it has the two versions of the quiz I specified. I'll click on one of these versions. I'll click on the first one here. And now you can see the quiz that we created. It has the three multiple choice questions with the answers off to the right, the short answer question and answer, and an essay question. From here, I can go ahead and hit the print button. And you can see that the questions and answers are printed to the page here. So if I close this out and then click print questions only, you can see that now a PDF of the questions without the answers are printed. I open up my documents folder and move over or open up my assessments.txt file. This contains the assessments that I just created. So 8th grade chemistry, description, questions, as well as all the assessments that were already pre-populated from before. So to recap, Test Wizard is used, well, first you can log in with Moodle, go ahead and create an assessment, add questions to the assessment, open up the created assessment, edit questions as needed, print questions and answers as needed, and then finally when you save that modified assessment, you can go over to Moodle and that assessment is created in Moodle in the selected course with your assessment name and questions and answers that were generated here. So Test Wizard can be used to help teachers to quickly generate sets of assessments for their students and then upload them to Moodle or print them out and give them to your students as paper copies. Thank you for your time.